On January 28, 1986, millions of people around the world tuned in to watch NASA launch the Space Shuttle Challenger. It was supposed to be a moment of inspiration, especially with Krista McAuliffe, the first civilian teacher chosen for spaceflight, on board to conduct lessons from orbit. 73 seconds after liftoff, hope turned to heartbreak as Challenger exploded against the clear Florida sky. Challenger's crew included Commander Dick Scobie, pilot Michael Smith, mission specialists Judith Resnick, Ronald McNair, Ellison Onizuka, payload specialist Gregory Jarvis, and Krista McAuliffe. Their mission reflected America's optimism about space exploration and inspired millions, especially students. Originally scheduled a few days earlier, Challenger's launch faced several delays, technical problems, and unseasonably cold weather. On launch morning, ice clung to the launch pad, but the countdown continued. At 11:38 a.m., Challenger lifted off. 73 seconds into flight, Challenger passed through max Q, maximum aerodynamic pressure. Suddenly, it was destroyed by a massive explosion as millions watched live. Debris rained into the Atlantic Ocean. NASA's mission control was silent, stunned. After investigation, the cause was found to be faulty O-ring seals in the right solid rocket booster. The rubber rings failed in the cold, allowing hot gases to escape and damage the fuel tank. The cold weather that morning made a catastrophic chain reaction possible. Tragically, all 7 astronauts died. The event shook the nation and the world. School children and families who watched their hero Krista McAuliffe ascend now saw a terrible tragedy. The hope and excitement turned to grief and questioning. President Ronald Reagan formed the Rogers Commission, which included astronauts and scientists like Neil Armstrong and Richard Feynman. They uncovered engineering issues, ignored warnings from experts, and fatal gaps in NASA's safety culture. In Challenger's aftermath, NASA made major changes. The shuttle program was redesigned, management was restructured, and new safety protocols were established. The tragedy became a lesson in communication, accountability, and the risks of high-stakes innovation. Despite the loss, Challenger's crew and mission left a lasting legacy. The Teacher in Space project, McAuliffe's spirit, and the push for safer exploration continue to inspire. Challenger remains a reminder of both the risks and rewards of reaching for the stars.